Here, we will learn to write a Python program through which we can check if the given number is positive, 0, or negative. A number is said to be positive if the number has a value greater than 0, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. All the natural numbers are positive numbers. If a given number has a value less than 0, like -1, -2, -3, -5, -7, -9, -11, -13, etc., then we can say that the given number is a negative number. Only rational and integer-type numbers can have negative values or numbers. Let us look at the following example to understand the implementation. We have used a nested if-else condition in the program to check the number. When the user gives an input number, the program will first check if the value of the number is greater than 0. If yes, it will print positive and the program ends. Otherwise, it will check if the value is less than 0, and at last it will print that number is 0. Let's run the code and see the output. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Code is given in description.